The best part of going back to school is grading. Okay, maybe not. Nobody likes grading. And I don't know about you, but I really get stressed out having to bear all the burden and responsibility for grading on students. And I get really tired of having to explain to students why they got the grade and then to their parents. So I came up with a solution for this, which is to create a class mission statement. So what I do at the beginning of the semester is I sit down with every class and the students work together to create this document that's going to guide all of their work and attitudes and expectations for the quality of their work and deadlines and how they interact with each other in team and group situations and also what we're going to contribute in discussions. And it's a really great way to solve some of those big challenges of assessment because the students have more ownership of it and responsibility for it because they're only responsible to themselves. They came up with these rules and these expectations, not me, right? And so I guide them through that process, and it has alleviated so many problems dealing with complaints from students and from parents. So if you want to learn how to create your own class mission statement, I have instructions for how to do that in my book, Storytelling with Purpose: Digital Projects to Ignite Student Curiosity, along with a variety and a lot of other authentic projects to make your class engaging and exciting no matter what grade level or subject that you teach.